Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How long does the replacement sunroof installation take? With a standard installation, common with single-panel sliding sunroofs, it will generally take about 60 to 90 minutes. If there is excessive glass cleanup, the installation may take longer.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Does a sunroof increase the cost of my insurance? Since sunroofs and moonroofs are often an optional, and more expensive, accessory, it usually costs a little more to insure a car with one, compared to the same make and model without. 1.31 October 2018.
Take our lead.
No one actually uses a sunroof. When you buy a new car, you may try it out once or twice, and then about a week later you forget that it's even there. If it's raining, opening it would be insane. About the only practical use of a sunroof is to monitor law enforcement helicopters tracking you. 28 June 2016.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.